Hey everyone, today I'm going to give you a quick review of Preply and tell you if it's actually worth it. So, Preply is an online platform where you can book one-to-one lessons with tutors from all over the world. You can learn languages like English, Spanish, Arabic, and many more. What I really like is that you can filter tutors by country, price, availability, and even whether they're professional teachers. And when you first open the site, it can feel a little overwhelming because there are so many tutors. So the best thing to do is filter by country that you are interested in, especially if you want a specific accent or dialect. Then watch their intro videos. That's honestly the fastest way to see if you like their personality and then teaching styles. And before committing, you book a trial lesson. This is important. Don't just check if the tutor is friendly. A good tutor should introduce new language clearly and give you time to practice it. The lesson should feel structured, not random. And one thing to keep in mind after your trial, you need to subscribe to that specific tutor for at least 4 lessons per month. You can't just book random single lessons and unused lessons don't roll over. So make sure you're confident in your choice before subscribing. And overall, pre-apply is great if you're serious about learning and if you want consistent progress. It's not ideal if you only want an occasional chat once in a while, but if you're ready to commit, it can be a very effective way to improve quickly. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest videos or reviews like this.